Hi! In front of me is NOKIA T21 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Connected Devices. Now select Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. In order to connect, select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. In order to disconnect them, click on this gear icon next to the device, choose Forget, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. You can always connect to the same one by choosing Pair New Device, clicking on it and selecting Pair again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!